What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about render today at the request of Antonio Alvarez. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. I thought we could start it off looking at the ribbon here. Looking at the monthly time frame, it does look like we're getting a nice bounce out of this. I do suspect that this will take us higher for the months to come, okay? $8.24 is the price right now, by the way. If we're looking at this on a weekly time frame, also getting this bounce, we had the cross with our most recent move crossed up, pulled back into the ribbon, finding support, moving out. Daily time frame crossed a little bit down, didn't quite cross down, but getting this to come back up, getting that yellow line to be on top, I think is crucial. So you might, in an event like this, you could pull back to, you know, something around like something just below $8, just above $7. So if you do that, don't be worried, don't be scared. You could do something like that very fast and then bounce. But overall, I do suspect that this kind of look right here suggests that you're going to turn the tide from this downtrend, right? You've broken out of this downtrend clearly, and I think you're going to move higher, is all that's saying, right? So if we're looking at this on a regular price dynamic, I also think if we look at the RSI here, you've got higher lows coming in, right? Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. And I don't remember what these two lines are about. Let's just see, right? I mean, these two lines, oh my goodness, I had a lot of stuff over here. Hold on, let's just redo all of that, okay? High to low here, 886 down to the 0.5. Probably when you move up, you're going to move up to about $19.8 to $32. You're at $8.2 now. And based off of this move here, if we were to take a low to a high, and apply it there, that'd take you pretty close to $19, right? And based off of this, if this is a bull flag, that's how you measure it. Measure moves are just ideas, they're not requirements, so you can exceed that. You can fall short of it as well. And I want to put another fib on there as well. I probably did something just like this, the thing that I just deleted, right? All the lines that we saw before. Look at that, the measure move takes you right up to the 1618 golden extension. Let's just see real quick. If I go all the way back, is that exactly what it was? Look, it was basically the same thing. And then what I'm going to tell you now, okay, hold on. What I'm going to tell you now is probably exactly what I identified last time, which is, so the 1618 is probably likely where you go, but if you go higher and you hit the 1272, maybe you do hit the 1886 200 area, because a lot of things have been hitting their 1886 200 areas or have targets up in those zones. So very possible you could go somewhere between the 1272 and the 1414. I don't think you go above $23, but I do think you can go above about $19.83, okay? And then if we look at the RSI here, we look at this, the last time that you moved up, right, in this range, when you moved up here, that was this move. And now we're at the bottom of this range, right? If you drew a line right here, a line up here, you're at the bottom of this parallel range. The last time that you moved up from this range up into the overbought zone, this was your move. What kind of move are you going to have coming out of it? And that was exactly what we measured with all of this stuff here, right? That was this line right here going up to the 1618, which is the golden extension. This line, which would be the exact same size of the move we saw last time based off of this same kind of expectation in the RSI, maybe even more. Maybe we might see higher readings, stronger readings, right? We could see a stronger move. But it all lines up is all I'm trying to say. So anyways, $8.23, $17.89, looking like a very doable target. Anything above that is also acceptable. Probably nothing above $13, and I would expect that target happens by the end of February. And I think that's all I got to say, man. If you guys liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I think bouncing off of your 123 3-day moving average is definitely a bullish thing as well. Daily time frame looks good. Get a little bit higher, though. I do think you will move higher, right? It very much does look like you're breaking out of this relative downtrend. You broke out of it, you continued out of it, so you probably do not just stop here, but you exceed this high here and continue upwards. So that's all I got. Hit the like button. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.